1975 H2C, imported from America into this country in 2011. It has had a recent paintwork. Exhaust, original standard exhaust but re-chromed. Engine untouched, because it's a very low mileage example, only done 5,900 miles. All rims and spokes good. It has won a few Kawasai shows. And as you can see from it, it's all a nice original show standard bike. And a very early numbers bike, so it's actually the third off the production line. As you can see, all original on the seat. Here, all original seat pan, all the electrics, all as new.
Wonderful.